All right, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I just want to talk about Tush FX first of all, and I will be giving you the trade analysis on how I trade my CPI, and I'll be doing a top-down analysis on gold. This is going to be a top-down analysis on gold. So what I usually do most times, I just look at the daily time frame and see where the market is heading to. And as at the moment, the market is heading north. We are currently on the bullish trend right now. So most times I just anticipate where price is going to get to and just leave it maybe with a line. So I'm expecting price now to get up to this extent. Or yeah, this extent. That's where I'm expecting price to get to next. This is the place I'm expecting price to get to next. First of all, when doing top-down analysis, what I usually do first is that um let me just- so I use daily. Let me use black, light black, sorry. And all right, guys, I'm just trying to, okay. Now I use daily to just to check the overall direction of the market. Oh, sorry. Oh, the overall direction of the market. Then I go to 4 hours to just check the market, the current. No, I just check the direction of the market, of the direction of the market. Now, if you notice, I said daily. If you notice, I said daily is overall direction, just to see where the whole direction is. So based on, because I'm a day trader, I usually pay more attention to 4 hours. Then 1 hour, and because this is gold, 1 hour, I just check the current direction of the market. The current direction of the market. Then 15 minutes, that's where 15 minutes, that's where I check what the market is doing and to take my trade. Let me write, take my entries. Same as 5 minutes as well, because this is good. Just take entries on 5 minutes. But basically, what I usually do is what I'm going to explain here right now. Now, first of all, the daily, I just check where the direction of the market going to on the daily time frame. I just take the direction of where the market is going to on the daily time frame. Then I move now. So I already know we are heading north and market is bullish on the daily time frame. We're heading north, market is going north on the daily time frame. Then I go to 4 hours and I would like, okay, what is the current trend of the market? Like what, so now to just check the direction of the market. So where is the market going to? We are bullish on the 4 hours time frame. So at the moment, I'll just be looking for buys. Then I will now look at, okay, where will the market get to next before it starts reversing? Where will the market get to next before the market will start reversing? I can see this structure here. I'll pick this particular structure. That this is where the market is going to. Let me make it more conservative. Let me put it here. Yes, because of this, it tapped here, it tapped here, it tapped here, tapped here, tapped here. Yeah, this one is better. Now, this is where the market is heading to next. Now, I will go to 1 hour and check what is the market doing at the moment, the overall, the current trend of the market. And as you can see, price is doing what? Higher high, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. And what are we expecting? A new higher high and a what? A higher low. Then before I continue what? The uptrend. That's just how I do it. Then on the 1 hour time frame, when I come to the 1 hour time frame, I now start drawing what zones where market will be getting to. Yeah, there is a zone here, a previous support to return, a previous resistance turn support, and this is the 1 hour time frame. This is where the current high of the market. I just indicate it to know that okay, this is where the market has gotten to at the moment right now. So we'll be expecting like maybe a pullback or a push forward. Then so also on the 1 hour time frame, I tend to also draw my trend line from a swing low to a swing high. Mostly I do it on 15 minutes. Sometimes I do it on the 1 hour just to like, okay, I can draw 1 hour trend. Then I also go ahead and draw 15 minutes trend to just see what the market is saying on the 15 minutes time frame. That is how I do it most times. To see what the market is saying what on the 15 minutes time frame. Then what I usually do next is that I go to 15 minutes time frame now or 30 minutes, but basically I do more 15 minutes and just string the chart a bit and like, oh, the market is already heading up and this is the overall direction of the market. Now we are bullish on the 1 hour on the 15 minutes time frame as well. So if you see all the trend, we are all bullish. We are bullish in all the trend. This one is too sleepy, so I'll just ignore it. Let me check this 5 minutes and see if there's any structure here on the 5 minutes time frame. Now, okay, I don't think. Well, we'll just leave this here first and see. Nah, no need. I'll just take it out. So we'll just be waiting. But I, if price should pull back from this particular zone, then price is going to come back and touch this trend line. Price is going to touch the trend line and pull back up. So what am I looking for right now, or what am I waiting for right now? It's very simple. Is either price come take out this high this way, take out this high on the 1 hour time frame, create a new high, then come back, retest this break and go up, or price comes back and probably we'll put our Fibonacci retracement here to take the swing low to the next swing high, depending on where the price gets to. They'll wait for like 78% or 61%. Like if you see the price, okay, this one is the previous one, 61% to 78% retracement, they will take the next buy. Price can still go further to do double top. Price can still go further to do a double top like this and drop down back to this zone again. We can have a double top here. We don't know. Because today is CPI, we are expecting how the market is going to go, then what the market is going to do. That's just what we'll be looking at for right now. So at the moment now, if you ask me what I'm looking at for right now, price is already currently close to a resistance position. And since price is heading to the resistance, all we just need to do is just to be patient. Since we already missed all the buys from somewhere, I think this happened at midnight, around 12 a.m. Asian session. It's just for us to be patient, to wait for the price to do what it's going to do within this zone here. And then we will now know what next to do. Yes, it's better off we look for more of buys rather than sell. But if price should get down here, let me move this a bit because of this 15 minutes time frame. Because I use more of 15 minutes time frame. Let me move this a bit to make this particular place tally. So once that place is tallied, so you know that yes, okay, this is it here. You know that okay, that's it. So we're expecting price to either get here and drop or break, retest, and push back. Maybe price break, retest the trend line, the zone, and sell and buy, or price get down here, reject it, have a mini pullback, and now what? We sell back to this trend line. That's exactly what we're looking for right now. We sell back to the trend line to have a third touch before it to now pull up back. That's exactly what we'll be looking at for right now. That's exactly. So let's check DXY and see what DXY is saying. If there's any possibility. Now, if you see that strong wick, you see that okay, price is already rejecting, price is wanting to push up. And if price should keep pushing up with the way we are seeing the 4 hours time frame, let me see what 1 hour is saying. We'll still bearish on the 1 hour, we'll still bearish on the 4 hours. But if we have this kind of long wick and price is trying to reject this particular zone and push up, there's a mini zone there. Yep. So if price is trying to reject this, so look at this long wick. If price should close above and does a bullish engulfing and keep going, then gold is going to drop. Then once gold gets up to this extent, it's going to drop. Because if you can, as you can see, gold yesterday it has some kind of bearish momentum. So maybe here is just trying to sweep liquidity, create some week before it start dropping. This is the daily time frame before it start dropping to the downside to come and retest all these uh, zones here that has not yet been filled, like what the ICT traders call fair value gap. This whole place say, okay, there's a fair value gap here. Price should come and fill it up. The price have not yet filled the fair value gap, or probably to come and retest this break of structure that he had here, because there's a mini break of structure here. Or sorry, there's a mini break of structure here. The price should come back and retest this break of structure before continue the bullish momentum. So all we just need to do is just to be patient and see what the market is going to give us. Then if we should go to maybe let's see Euro USD. Euro USD, you also see the same thing that is going on here. Just price. Well, it's because of CPI. That's why the market is not really moving at the moment. There is CPI today. So it's because of CPI the market is not moving. Look at all these pairs. The price is back. This is a card JPY. This card JPY. Yes, that's card JPY. It's because of all these pairs. That's the reason why price. Because of the CPI, that's why the price is not moving. It's just reconsolidating. So all we're going to do is just to be patient and wait for the market. Probably during CPI, we'll come online and what we know what next trade to take. So that's just it. If you know you've watched this video up to this extent, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you very much. So guys, you can as you can see on your screen right now, you see the CPI is out. The CPI is out already. As you can see, the CPI is out. And let's check the SY. You see, it was against the US dollars. Just like I said, I told you before that we are bearish on the 4 hours time frame. We're heading north, south on the 4 hours time frame. And our price is, now look at this very clean M pattern here. As you can see, there's an M pattern here, minor M pattern. That's it. A very nice M pattern that price just did not really break out. Sorry, price could not break this trend line. It has to drop back to come and retest this zone again. So maybe we're going to continue selling or continue buying. That's on DXY. Now let's see what I was trying to show you guys. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. Before the news happened, let me go to 5 minutes so it should be more elaborate here. If you notice this trend line that I drew before the news happened, you see the news first of all pulled down. The news first of all pushed up just to like maybe sweep liquidity for those that want to sell. It touched this, it got up to this extent here. Then before it came back to retap the trend line, the 1 hour trend line that I drew, it came to retap it before it's trying to buy up right now. Before price is about to watch, trying to buy up right now. As you can see, price is buying up right now. So all we're just waiting for now is just to allow the news to settle because CPI just came out right now. All we are waiting for right now is to allow the news to settle before we now know the direction that we'll be going. If price, now we're already here, I will not be thinking of buying at this moment from here because there is a resistance here. Price needs to break the resistance. Sorry, price needs to break the resistance, come back, retest, and before I can start buying. Or price will do that. This is the second, it does an engulfing here on the 15 minute time frame. We come back, we do another kind of a minor engulfing candle. Once I get the next engulfing candle, price change structure. Price change structure to have a lower high. Once it pulls back and break this low, then I'll enter for a sell and just continue selling until price maybe probably up to this extent. But at the moment, I'll be looking to now. Why will I be selling? Because DXY is currently going to start buying because it has tapped the support zone here. So we're still going to get a push up to the upside. So if DSY is buying, gold will be selling. If DSY is buying, gold will be selling. It was because DSY sold, that's why gold bought. It just tapped. That's what CPI does. It goes to different direction. So that's just how I trade my CPI. So guys, if you find this video very interesting, please like, subscribe, and share.